Okay, the instructions say write each as a decimal and then round to the thousandths place, right? So the thousandths place is this place right here, tenths, hundredths, thousandths place. Okay, so when you take a percent and you convert it to a decimal, there are two methods of doing that. One method, if you have a calculator or if you like doing long division, is if you take a percent and you divide it by 100, you're going to get exactly what the decimal value will be. So that's one way to do it, right? Pretty easy. Another kind of shortcut if you don't have a calculator, if you're converting from percent to decimal, is you can take, this is where you have to be tricky because you don't want to reverse the direction. You take where the decimal point was in the percent and you move it 2 places to the left. And when you put the decimal point there, put a 0 in front and then go ahead and put 0.892. I need to change how big the ink is right there. Okay, two methods. Either divide it by 100 on the calculator, and this is what the calculator will tell you, or on paper, take that decimal point and go 2 places to the left, and then put the 0 in front. Unless, let's say it was 189%. Sorry, let me do it this way. What if it is 121.29%? When you take this decimal point and you move it 2 places, you don't go ahead and add the 0 because right there's a 1 to the left. So you'd just rewrite that as 1.2129. And notice this is the thousandths place, just like that. All right, now if you're going to, well, I'll go ahead and stop it right there, keep this video short, but one thing I do want to show you before I end, if the task was you started with this number and it said convert this to a percent, one method would be multiply it by 100, and that would give you the 89.2%. Or on paper, take the decimal point, now go 2 in the right direction, and that gives you 89.2%. So the first way, we took a percent and we converted it to a decimal. Then we took a decimal and converted it back to percent. All right, that's it.